Hey friends, so today I wanted to show you guys what I am mixing into our chicken feed. Right now at the moment we're still getting big bags of layer mash from a local elevator, but I add some things to it. Eventually I want to do my own mix that has like a pellet seed in it or a pellet with the whole food. But the goal is to have enough space for the chickens to go into that they don't really need a lot of feed. So right now anyways, but I'm adding garlic powder. So I bought these like big containers, like a wholesale price, which lasts way longer. And then I have an Italian seasoning mix in a big bag. Cinnamon powder, ground. Cayenne pepper, and then mealworms are just like for snacks or treats or whatever. And then I add Nyjer Seeds as well, which is like a bird seed that you can get. That helps with protein. I am actually going to add to this one black oil sunflower seeds to just see how they like those. And then along with the Nyjer Seeds, I feel like mixing both of them together would be a really good addition to it. So anyways, what I do, it's not very much of a science, but I just add some amounts to my totes. I have this little measuring cup, that's 1 cup. The Italian seasoning mix, I do 1 cup per tote. Garlic powder is 1 cup per tote. I believe my bags of feed are 80 pounds. It's basically like one of the spice containers that you buy at the store. And then cinnamon, only 1/2 cup per tote. Again, like I said, this is not very exact measurements. I just guess. Oh, no. You want to be somewhere where there's nice breeze going, because these powders can really make you sneeze. And then some cayenne pepper. And then I'm gonna go run and get my sunflower seeds and Nyjer seeds. Alrighty, that is basically it. And then I just feed it into the feeders. But I try and mix this every time I open a new bag. And honestly, like, I don't know. I know that you can't really overdo it with herbs, but you do have to be careful. So, yeah, this is what I mix into our chicken feed. They seem to like it, so I'll go and show you guys. I'm going to give the rest of that basket out in their yard so they can enjoy that. But Let's see what they think about these sunflower seeds. Alrighty friends, that is the end of this video. Just wanted to show you guys what we're adding to our chicken feed at the moment. And like I said, I want to eventually get away from the bagged feed, make my own completely out of different components, but just learning as I go. Still new to chickens. I've been around chickens, but I've never had to like care for them solely. So just kind of want to do baby steps, learning as I go. But we are going to move their yard to the green pasture over there, and then let this rest until May probably, or something like that, when the big barn is up here and that's all redone. Hopefully it's April or so, but we'll see. So anyways, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I hope you have an amazing day, and we'll see you next time.